This is going to be a video tutorial on how to set your TikTok account private. I'll be using an iPhone SE, but this should work similarly on other devices. Let me jump over to my iPhone here. Okay, I'm on my iPhone now. First thing you need to do is open up the TikTok app, of course. I've got mine opened here. Next thing you need to do is click on your profile icon in the lower right-hand corner. Tap on that. Then you need to go up to the 3-bar hamburger menu in the upper right-hand corner and tap on that. Then you want to go down to where it says privacy and tap on that. And then right in here, private account. You just toggle this on right here. And that is how you set your TikTok account private. Thanks for watching.